This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the F4's radar has power and a clear line of sight. This matters because radar needs stable voltage and an unobstructed antenna to detect properly. Connect 12V and ground, mount the antenna level, then power up. Once the unit boots, watch the status LEDs for a green ready indicator and let the system complete its self-test. Make sure to note initial range readings, so you have a baseline before you begin scanning for targets. Next, configure the F4's parameters to match your scenario. This calibrates detection versus noise. Select short range for dense environments or long range for distant targets, then set beam width and sensitivity accordingly. Adjust the range window and threshold so the radar ignores irrelevant echoes and increase tracking persistence if targets move predictably. Once done, enable speed gate and clutter rejection filters to reduce false alarms. These settings refine what the system reports and improve overall targets. Finish by validating tracks. Confirm the radar's targets match what you expect and cross-check with another sensor if available. This ensures accuracy. Save your working configuration and perform a quick calibration sweep while logging results for future tuning. If problems occur, first inspect antenna alignment and coax cables for damage, then reset sensitivity and clutter filters. If false returns persist, restart the unit and rerun the self-test. This sequence fixes most common issues and restores reliable detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.